Mr. President, sir, any special instructions for Cebu, sir?
For Cebu.
For Cebu muna, sir. Opo.
Secretary Gilbert, who heads NDRMC, went there yesterday. He was planned. We had scheduled for him to come here, but instead he had to go to Cebu. We are still assessing the damage there, but the earthquake was very strong. Pagka yung mga ganyang klaseng numbers, that's a very big number already. So we're assessing the damage, we're assessing the needs na pangangailangan. We are here now because Masbate was completely hit. Suffered a solid hit from Opong. They were only recovering. They were still recovering from Emong. Tinamaan na nito. So severe damage talaga ang nangyari. Ang problema, some of the services have been interrupted. Although the hospital continues to function, yung kuryente baka matagalan pa ng konti. But because we have to be very sure that it's safe bago natin iyon ng kuryente. Yung mga sa DSWD na mga assistance, cash assistance at saka food packs, kumpleto naman tayo. Nakapag-respond sila within less than 24 hours, nandito na sila. Because we already knew that kailangan reposition ng mga food packs, etc. So that's all right. We have food packs, we have hygiene packs, the DOH is continuing to go through the evacuation centers to make sure that everybody is okay. At gagamutin yung mga iba. They have come, nagdala na rin sila ng gamot para doon sa mga nangangailangan ng gamot. I think that we have attended to most of the problems. Yung pinakamalaking problema na hindi pa natin bigyan ng atensyon, yung kakulangan ng cash. Dahil hindi makapag-withdraw yung tao. Dahil sarado yung mga bangko, walang kuryente, walang internet. So, that's the problem that we have to solve now. Paano makapag-provide ng para makapag-withdraw, hindi naman ito cash assistance para makapag-withdraw yung tao ng sarili nilang pera sa bangko. And that's what we have to do. Mukhang ang solusyon ay talagang magdadala tayo rito ng napakaraming cash. So yun ang isusunod namin. Yun ang pinakakulang na hindi pa namin nagagawa at all. Hindi namin sa ibang lugar hindi naging problema yan Although yun na ngayon problema ngayon dito sa Masbate. They're going all the way to Legazpi to withdraw money. Kung saan pumupunta, they go to anywhere that makautang. Yun lang, walang nagpapautang ngayon, siyempre dahil ganito. So it's a problem. It's a problem that we are going to have to solve and very quickly. We have I have a report from Secretary Ralph Recto that there are 2 land bank branches that are open. Pero malalayo. One in the Masbate City and the other one is in Kakainan, which is 2 hours? 2 hours away from here. So very inconvenient para sa tao, but we'll try to improve that situation as soon as we can. The overwhelming ang damage dito talagang ang sabi sa akin, kahit yung mga matatanda dito sa Masbate, wala silang naaalala na bagyo na ganito kalakas na dumaan dito sa Masbate. Kaya we have to do a lot of work para ma-recover lahat, makabawi ang tao. Sa Department of Agriculture, we are already going to provide cash assistance. Malaki rin ang damage dahil aani tayo October Lahat naman ng sa karamihan ng Pilipinas, the harvest season is just beginning. Kaya marami talagang nasira. We will have to provide again cash assistance to the farmers. Una. Pangalawa, we will have to process the crop insurance. Meron naman silang crop insurance pero kuminsan matagal yung proseso. Kaya habang inaantay yun, pwede tayong kumuha sa cash assistance. Nag-release ako ng 100 million na LGSF, Local Government Support Fund, para magamit dahil nahihirapan na ang provincial government para na makakapagbayad sa lahat ng kailangan gawin. They have had to already realign many of their initiatives.